The hunter's messenger. A hunter went to the forest one day. He was a skilled archer, and all the animals were afraid of him. They ran away and hid in burrows and dens whenever they saw him. But a tiger was feeling very brave that day. He decided to stay back and fight with the hunter. The hunter asked the tiger, "Why are you standing there? Isn't your life dear to you?" The tiger replied, "I am not afraid of you." "All right then, let my messenger deal with you," said the hunter. He pulled out his bow and arrow and shot the tiger, who growled in pain before limping away into the forest. A jackal saw him and asked, "Why did you run away?" The tiger replied, "If a messenger can wound me so badly, think of what the hunter can do to me. It is not wise to go near dangerous people." The Big Fat Hen. An old woman lived in a little hut in a village. She had a little red hen. The woman loved her hen very much. Every day she would feed the hen mixed corn and let her out in the courtyard. The hen would walk around pecking at bugs and insects. Then she would lay an egg in the straw nest under the mango tree. She laid an egg every day. The old woman would sell the egg at the local market for a good price. One evening, the old woman thought, "If I feed the hen twice as much, she will lay 2 eggs every day. Then I will become rich." She fed the hen more and more corn every day. But the red hen only grew big and fat until one day she stopped laying eggs altogether. The old woman repented her miscalculations. Things don't always go as planned. The Cunning Fox. There was once a fox. He saw a doe grazing nearby. He rushed to a mouse and a leopard, and they hatched a plan to kill the doe. First, the mouse distracted the doe by nibbling at her hoof. Then the leopard pounced on the doe and killed her. The fox said, "It's not good to eat without having a bath. I bathed in the morning. Now go and have a bath," he said. The mouse and the leopard left for the river. When the leopard returned, the fox said, "The mouse feels that we caught the doe only because of his help." The leopard was angry and he refused to eat the doe. He went away. When the mouse came there, the fox said, "I defeated the leopard in a fight and he ran away. Now it's your turn." The mouse scampered away. The sly fox ate the doe all by himself. The Sour Grapes. Once upon a lovely morning, there was a hungry fox. He wandered far and wide, searching for something to eat, but couldn't find anything. At last, he came to a beautiful vineyard full of juicy grapes. All around, bunches and bunches of grapes hung high on the vines. The fox smacked his lips and thought, "These fruits look tasty. I must have them." The fox sat there for a while, admiring the grapes and the vineyard. The grapes were out of his reach, so he jumped in an attempt to catch hold of the ripe grapes. But he could not reach them. He jumped higher and higher, but the grapes always remained out of reach. After a while, he grew tired of jumping. Then he mumbled to himself, "Who wants to eat sour grapes? Certainly not me." The fox walked away. It's easy to hate things that are out of reach.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.